Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into how you can bring the futuristic and minimalist design of Nothing OS 3.0 to your Android 14 and above device without requiring root access. Why Nothing OS 3.0 launcher? Before we dive into the installation process, let's quickly explore what makes Nothing OS 3.0 so special. It's renowned for its clean, intuitive interface, glyph interface, and overall aesthetic appeal. By installing the launcher, you'll be able to experience this unique design language on your phone. Now, let's get to the exciting part, installing the Nothing OS 3.0 launcher. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide. The first step is to download the correct APK file for the Nothing OS 3.0 launcher. You'll find the direct download link in the video description. Once the download is complete, locate the APK file on your device. Tap on it to initiate the installation process. After the launcher is installed, you'll need to set it as your default launcher. This process varies slightly depending on your device's Android version and custom skin. Once you've set the Nothing OS 3.0 launcher as your default, you'll be greeted by a fresh, minimalist interface. Here are some of the key features and design elements to look forward to. You can enjoy a clutter-free interface with a focus on essential information. Customize your home screen with a variety of widgets that seamlessly blend with the overall design. The launcher is optimized to provide a smooth and responsive user experience. Keep an eye out for updates to the Nothing OS 3.0 launcher. Updates often bring bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features. The launcher offers various customization options, allowing you to tailor the interface to your preferences. By following these simple steps and incorporating the additional tips, you can transform the look and feel of your Android device with the Nothing OS 3.0 launcher. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.